Ayan.
Um, Sorry everyone, close lang pala to. Akala ko parang mag-speech to. Medyo magutom kayo konti, lalo. Ayun, so, um, minsan lang nangyayari sa buhay natin yung makamit tayo ng taong makapagbabago ng buhay natin. Yung tipong pag nakita mo sila, sabihin mo, gusto ko siyang parating masaya. Gusto ko siyang, gusto ko ibigay sa kanya lahat. I want to love you and I want to protect you with everything I have. Um, yung person na yun, dumating sa buhay ni Kuya 27 years ago nung pinanganak ako ni Mama. uh, Good evening, everyone. So I'll keep this short. I think. Okay. So to those who don't know me, I'm Ken. I'm the groom's younger brother. His favorite younger brother.
Sabi mo eh.
Usually speeches like this are the ones where the best man shares or reveals an embarrassing story about the groom that would entertain the crowd. However, I'm not gonna do that tonight. As much as I want to, I don't have any stories to tell. Kasi napakabait ni Kuya. Siya yung pinakamabait sa akin kapatid. Hindi siya sumasagot. Hindi siya umuwi ng late. And then, hindi siya nagkaroon ng kaso or away with anyone. I don't have any stories. I don't have any stories, not because he was boring, but he was a good son and he was a good brother. However, despite being a good man, my kuya is not perfect. uh, so, Ate Jelly, ang masasabi ko lang. Though, I think, maybe napansin mo na din to, my kuya is a little bit impatient. Mabilis siya mainis. He doesn't like inconvenience. He'd rather pay a certain amount kesa maabala siya or ma-stress. But anyway, despite that, this impatience that I'm talking about, he never showed any of this towards me. I don't remember one instance that he said no to me or my request. Kuya, may gawa ka ba sa Sabado? Samahan mo ako, may bibilin lang ako. Uh, Kuya, order tayo pagkain. Kuya, hatid mo ako dito. Kuya, sunduin mo ako dito. Kahit antok yan, sasamahan niya ako magpuyat. Natutulog sa sopa habang ako nag-computer. And never siya nag-no sa akin. He never said no. So, anong na-establish natin? My kuya is a good man, but impatient. Kapag galit yan, o kaya frustrated, napapansin mo talaga, pero never mo siya makikitang magtaas ng boses or magbuhat ng kamay. And that's how I know him. That's how I know him. Hindi ko alam kung sa iba. I say all of this because my point is that, he was never like that with me. He was a good man, but a better brother. Nay, the best brother to me. I say this because I know for a fact that when he loves someone, he will have unlimited patience with them. And with that unlimited patience, I'm 100% sure that he will be a great husband and someday a great father as well. With that being said, later na lang yung, my dear Kuya, we both know that we don't need this. We don't need words. We both know how much we mean to each other. But I will say this once. I will always be looking up to you figuratively. And I have always admired you. It is an honor to be the best man of the best man that I know. Tijel, I know we haven't talked much, but rest assured that I approve of him. I trust my brother that he did not make a mistake of choosing you. I have no doubt that he will take very good care of you, like the way that he took good care of me. Sorry. I'm more than happy for him to leave me because I know in my heart that when I look at you and Kuya together, you both look complete. Love is what happens when two hearts find their happy place next to each other. So may you live a happy and prosperous life full of love. And I wish you nothing but happiness, love, and success. To the rest of the Delia family, welcome to the family and welcome to the party, the never-ending party. Congratulations.
Yay! Maraming salamat, Desmond. Now, as what the maid of honor said earlier, tayo po tayong lahat. Everybody stand up. Mukhang ready na si Desmond and si maid of honor to finally drink beer.